Are you looking to personalize your FaceTime experience by changing the ringtone? Whether you want a unique sound or just want to switch things up, this guide will show you in 2 ways to change a different ringtone only for FaceTime apps. Follow these simple steps and you'll have a new ringtone in no time. Solution 1. Change the ringtone only for FaceTime call. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Notification, scroll down, find out FaceTime, scroll down, tap Sounds, select the sound you want to set only for your FaceTime apps. This ringtone only will ring when someone calls you from your FaceTime. Solution 2. Change ringtone from sounds and haptic. Open Setting, scroll down, and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under Sounds and Vibration Patterns, find and tap Ringtone. Browse the list of ringtones and tap the one you want to use for FaceTime. Once selected, this ringtone will apply to both regular calls and FaceTime. By following these steps, you can easily change the ringtone for FaceTime on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and stay tuned for the next video.